Hi, I'm back. Welcome to the part 2 of our Learning Waray Language 101 video. If you haven't watched my first video, wherein I was able to tackle about the polite words and greetings, please check on the link that I have included in the description portion of this video. And also, I hope you will be watching this video until the end because today we'll be tackling about or discuss about how you will ask directions that will help you converse and understand from the locals in the region, and also how to look for mode of transportation. Are you ready? So let's start. In learning to ask directions, it's very important that you know how to raise a question. So just instance, if you want to ask where is the place, then you can use the term ha in it, then you state the name of the place. But if you want to ask how to go to that place, you use paano kumadto ha. How do I get to? Then you state the name of the place. That's it. I hope you got the pattern. Ha in it if you're looking or asking where is it, or paano kumadto ha if you want to ask about the process and how to go there. So that leads me to the second subtopic, which is the term we use in describing the place. I have here a list of the common places that are often being asked when you go to a new place. So let's start. Church. In Waray, the term we use is simbahan. Simbahan is also used around the Philippines. I don't know if other regions have a different term with a term being used, but in I think we often use simbahan also. Market. We use the term mercado. Mercado is also a Spanish term. So mercado, market, mercado. House. In Waray, we use the term balay. Balay. But if you're asking about the house of a specific person, you have to add balay ni and then the name of the person. Example, you're asking about my house. You have to say balay ni Niña. So that's it. Another term is bank. So for bank, we use the term banco. And for park, there are also instances where Waray words still use the English terms, like park. We still use park, grocery, grocery, mall. So we use the English term for that, and also call that. What else? Do you have other words that you want to know? Other place that you want to know? Just tell me on through the comment section, and then I will translate it for you. These are the only terms that I listed in my cheat sheet. All right, so let's move to the second main topic of this video. As I mentioned in the earlier part of the video, I gave some terms that we use in how to raise a question. So you will also use this in looking for a transportation. Like ha in it, which refers to where is the, and paano pagkadto ha, which refers to how do I get to. So before we proceed in how we complete the sentence, let's start with how we I mean the term that we use in describing the mode of transportation available in the region. Ex- I have here some items. Jeepney. I hope all of you knows how the jeepney look like. I'll be flashing some photos in this video. Jeepney in Waray is jeep. Pedal cab is pedicab. Motor bike, we just um, use actually um, motor, either single or it's look like a motorcycle with a passenger type of motorcycle. Uh, if we are referring to a small boat, we use the term bangka. And if you're referring to a ship, we use or either a small ship or big ship, that we use the term barko. Now I will discuss how to construct sentences. If you want to ask where is the jeepney terminal, then you can use hain it terminal, hain it sarakayan, which is our term for terminal in Waray. Hain it sarakayan hin, to emphasize, and then the next word would be the mode of transport that you're referring to, like hain it sarakayan hin jeep. That if it's a ship, then hain it sarakayan hin barko. Hain it sarakayan hin pedicab, for the pedal cab. Okay, and if you want to ask how to get to the jeepney terminal or the specific mode of transport terminal, you can say, paano kumadto ha sarakayan hin jeep? Paano kumadto ha sarakayan hin barko? Paano kumadto ha sarakayan hin pedicab? Like that. I hope you learned something from me this week, and I will be having another what I 101 video next week. We will discuss about how to express like, dislike, and affection. So since this is more on affection, you might feel that butterfly in your stomach or kilig mode. So watch out for more of my videos weekly, and continue to subscribe and watch my video from the beginning to the end. Place your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for those who always give me feedback on how to improve, and I actually use the headset. So since I'll be teaching a language and I want to have a clear voice, because it's very important, and I hope guys that you will support me every week, and you will be part of my journey in in this vlogger channels, my vlogger experience. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.